Okay, so now we're going to look at questions 5 and 6. So on these ones, it asks us to write the equation, and it gives us the graph. So once again, we're going to be looking at the same equation up here. I'm going to rewrite down here just so you can see it a little bit better, but you can just look at the same one at the top of your page if you want. We're still looking at the same equation here. We're still going up and down for the K, left and right for the H, and it's the opposite of what you expect, and we still have the slope, which is rise over run, for the A. All right? So we need to find, there's 2 points you have to find that are really important in order to be able to find this. The first one is the vertex point, which is that point right there, okay? And then the next point you're going to need is the next time it crosses. So going right, what's the next time it crosses? Well, it's right there, okay? It also crosses here, here, and here, but you want the very next time it crosses. So those are the 2 points that you want to look at on this, okay? So on this vertex point, you went down 1. Well, on my equation, the down 1 would be -1. So I'm going to put a -1 at the back here, where the K would go. Kind of blurry. Let me see if I can get that to fix. Okay, so then you also had to go left 5. Well, I know that's going to be inside the absolute value bars. Okay, and left 5 is going to be actually a +5 because it's going to be the opposite of what I expect on the inside the bars. And then the slope means I'm going to go down 1 over 1, so that's -1 over 1. Okay, so just so you know, you don't have to put over 1, you just have -1 here. You also just have a negative here, and then absolute value of x plus 5 minus 1. Okay, number 6. Once again, we have to find the vertex point, and we have to find the very next time to the right that it crosses a corner, which is right here. That's the very next time it crosses a corner. Those are the 2 points we're going to be looking at. So our H and our K are going to be from our vertex, then we're going to slope is going to be from the next point. Okay, so I'm going to leave a spot for my A, leave a spot for my H. Okay, just kind of be ready to write everything. So for my K here, I know I had to go down 6. I went down 6, so that's -6. For my H, I had to go right 2, which is -2 because it's the opposite of what you expect. And then for my A, from this point to this point, I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. So up 4 over 1. Could also just write that as a 4. You don't have to write divided by 1 if you don't want to. Okay, let's turn it over. All right, we'll do the next 2 on the next video.